Let me show you my pickle! Poo Poo Platter Productions.
Metro!
We the best music!
Fried chicken. Eat the skin and the bone.
Don't give me that tone, or else you'll get this bone.
Tyrannosaurus Rex on a boat. Tyrannosaurus Rex on a boat.
Let me take you home on this boat. Something, something, something ice cream float.
Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the fucking boat.
LeBron James is the fried watermelon. Guys, I do not have Alzheimer's. Guys, I do not. Guys, LeBron James is the pirates on a boat. LeBron on a boat. Chicken.
Guys, I'm not schizo. Wait, who else is in the studio? Did someone knock? Smell my bro's socks. Seriously, did someone knock? Let me go get that. Wait, there's not even a door. Why are we in a dark room with music? Why? Where are we? Help! Help!
Pirates on a...
Is there a way out? Help! Help! Help!
That was a Poo Poo production.